Hello. Is it Christmas? Yeah. Are you excited for your presents? Oh, good girl. Good girl. Should we open your presents? Yeah. Okay. I didn't let you open your gift wrap ones from Brian early, so should we do those first? Is that a yes? I didn't let you open them early, so should we do Brian's? Yeah. Yeah. Should we do this one first? Do you want to look in? See what's inside? Oh, it feels like food. It's some chicken. Yummy. Very nice. Thank you, Brian. She's going to love that. You've already made your way through half the books you got last time, haven't you? Little Porky. And shall we do this one? Oh my goodness. Okay. Mouse. Oh, amazing. Wow, Mousy, look at this. This is an automatic pet feeder. She's automatically pet feeding herself. Look at this. Naughty, you little sneak. How many did you get? Is it? Good girl. Are you excited for your automatic pet feeder? You're obsessed with your pet cube still, aren't you? Because that gives you food. Can you say thank you to Brian for your gifts? Oh, good girl. Merry Christmas. Right, Mouse, there's one for me. Can I open that one? Yeah, for me. So this one's from Marilyn. Are you helping? Oh, that's a hat. That's so nice. Thank you so much. I know Marilyn and lots of you have sent stuff to Jodie's PO box for us. So thank you so much. And as soon as I can get over and get them, I will unbox them as well. But thank you very much for my hat, Marilyn. So cute. I can't wait to wear this. So I know who two of these are from. Now, there's one for you and there's one for me. Look at this mouse. It's a giant U. So this was kindly sent by Kim. So this is a Kong Wrangler and it's a kneading toy to encourage bouncing and wrestling. And you love wrestling. Then your best friend. She loves him. Oh, so much love, Mouse. You love Big Mouse. And you murder Big Mouse. I definitely think she's a fan of her new toy. Thank you, Kim. Mouse, can you say thank you to Kim for your toy? Say thank you. Oh, good girl. Thank you. There you go. While you play with your toy, I'm going to open the other present from Kim. So this one's actually for me. Oh, this is so incredibly kind of you, Kim. Thank you so much. I can't wait to use these. So we've got the Echo Dot and some Philips Hue lights, which are smart lights. So cool. Very exciting. Can't wait to pop those in and start controlling our lights. You excited? You say thank you? Oh, good girl. Thank you. Thank you so much, Kim. We really appreciate it. Vic's very excited to get these installed too. So it's a present for all of us. Azzy, should we do your last big one? I have an idea who this might be from, but we'll find out in a second, shall we? I was right. So this is a gift from Paul. So this says, enjoy your gift, Mouse. It's for Christmas, but you can have it when you want it. From Paul. Oh, thank you so much, Paul. I thought it was a Christmas present, so I did just leave it. And Mouse can open it actually on Christmas. Oh, I think it's a new scratchy mat. You love your scratchy mat, but it is really old and rank now. Amazing. Look at this, Mouse. This looks way better than the one that you have at the moment. Look how nice it is. And a whole bag of catnip. Just for reference, this is the one that Mouse currently has. So she uses it loads of times a day. Sometimes she sleeps on it and it goes really minging, but it's all cardboard, so completely recyclable. That's why we like it. So you're definitely in need of an upgrade, aren't you, Mouse? Yeah, should we open it? First, can you say thank you to Paul? Come on. You say thank you to Paul? Oh, good girl. Thank you so much, Paul. You're so kind. You always buy Mouse such lovely gifts. Is that your new highway? Your little sneaky entrance? Should we add some catnip? So this is a pet cheer scratch mat. And that's really good. And that means we can recycle your old one now, doesn't it? Can you say thank you to everyone who sent you gifts? Oh, good girl, thank you. Thank you so much if you sent a gift to Jodie's PO box as well for us. We don't live too close to each other, so as soon as I do get it, I'll do a video. Yeah, so lucky. Is that good? Mass, have you got another present? Who's this from? Is it from Key and Jodie? Oh, what is it, Mouse? Is it fishy? Look at the fish. Is that Key? He's come to see. Are you giving it good sniffs? Oh, there's Key. Oh, murder. Murder has ensued.
You don't even need to stuff any catnip in there.
No, she's proper killing it.
Keep it. Keep it. Mouse is enjoying the present.
Oh, she's got to clean her feet first. Oh, is it good, Mouse? She loves it. What? It's not your turn yet. Hello. Can you see her?
Yeah. Why do you love it so much?
I don't know. Oh. Oh, Daddy's needs scare you. Right, do we know what kind of batteries it needs? I don't think it does need batteries. I think it just needs charging. Yeah. Oh my. Okay. No, it's alive. That is weird. Ooh. Let's get it. Oh, Mouse, Dickens. Hello. Get some dinner? Yeah? Come on then. You're just doing a stretch first. Come on then. Are you hungry? Yeah? You gonna sit? Good girl. Got some Christmas dinner? You gonna have your Christmas spectacular turkey and ham feast with cranberries? Yum. You excited? Come on then, show me where it goes. Over here. You have to sit. Good girl. There you go. Matthew, you've been chewing it. You're scoffing it, aren't you, little piggy? You having a little nap? Watching some films and snoozing? Oh, sleepy girl. You say night night?